Once students have an understanding of how to create the sentence, we want to take them to the next level. The aim is to add one or more sentences to create a small paragraph. We do this by using a technique called a follow-on sentence. This will help students connect their related ideas. There's a few different ways we can build these related ideas. The first way is by adding actions. We do this by asking, what happened next? This is the simplest method. Our starting sentence was, the monkey is swinging through the trees. To add another sentence, all we do is ask ourselves, what happened next? I connect to the topic as I know monkeys like bananas. I grab this very first idea and I write it down. Then I ask, what happened next? I think he's going to eat the banana, so I write down that idea. Then I ask, what happened next? After we eat, we like to rest. So I write that idea down and create this paragraph. The monkey is swinging through the trees. He saw a banana. The monkey climbed a tree and ate the banana. Then he went to the river and had a nap. By asking this one simple question, we can get one or two extra sentences very easily. To help with fluency, the key is to put down the very first idea that comes to mind. Also, with only a few sentences, it is a great opportunity to build self-monitoring skills by ensuring boundary punctuation is in place and each sentence makes sense. We have looked at how we can easily add actions to build from a sentence to a paragraph by asking, what happened next? We could also add a descriptive sentence by asking, what was it like? Or we could add a sentence about emotions by asking, how did it feel? A balanced paragraph would include all three types of details. However, the main aim is to encourage children to move from a sentence to a paragraph. We need to determine the best methods that will help reluctant writers succeed and improve. When we model, it's important to show students how we generate our ideas and demonstrate our thinking processes. Linking writing to our Super 6 reading strategies means we are using concepts students understand and building the bridge between reading and writing. When it comes to generating ideas, we need to draw connections, wonder about why something is happening, visualize the scenario, and even predict. To create a paragraph from our topic sentence, we need to draw in our connections and visualizations when responding to our question prompts. Our first sentence is, the ogre is grunting at the trespassers. I run the prompts through my head. What happened next? Nothing comes to mind. What was it like? I visualized Shrek's angry face. So I turn that connection into a sentence. Then I go through the same process. What happened next? What is it like? How did it feel? I think of the people in the swamp. They are probably scared when they see an ogre and want to get away. Kind of like what happens at the beginning of Shrek. I have my next sentence. By leaning on my reading strategies and referring to the question prompts, it makes it easy for me to add follow-on sentences and begin to build a paragraph. This is a simple and manageable technique for reluctant writers, once they are able to use the subject and the verb to make a sentence. We need to encourage them to write a short paragraph by building in follow-on sentences. If you do weekly sentence writing, change the name to paragraph writing. This will mean they can practice writing related ideas more often.